Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Whirlpool oven is showing you these errors, we have F1, F2, F3 and F4 error codes. These codes usually indicate sensor control board or overheating issues. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can diagnose each code properly and how you can fix the real problem. So different codes here point the different systems. So if I talk about the F1 error code here, it is relating to electronic control board failure. The F2 error is relating to overheating. The F3 is relating to temperature sensor malfunctioning, and the F5 is relating to door lock or control communication issues. So identifying the correct code first is going to help prevent the unnecessary repairs. So in order to fix any of these error codes, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply reset the oven's electronic control system. So for that, you just have to turn off the power at the breaker and then unplug the oven for about 5 minutes. After doing so, you just have to restore the power and monitor the display. If on the display the code disappears, it means that the issue may have been a temporary control fault. But if it returns, further hardware inspection is necessary. So furthermore, what you can do is you can just simply test for the temperature sensor for F2 or F3 codes. So you can inspect the oven temperature sensor for losing wires or damage or incorrect resistance readings. A faulty sensor can cause the false overheating alerts or inaccurate temperatures. So replacing the sensors often resolves the F2 or F3 issues. Now, if the oven has self-clean or lock issues, you just have to also check for the door latch movement or lock motor or wiring harness. So a faulty lock mechanism can then trigger the F5 errors repeatedly. So repairing or replacing the lock components may restore the operation. So if this video helped you understand the error codes and their causes and how you can fix it, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.